Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to do 2016 paper 2 MC question 6. So it's about functions and graph. Let's get started. So you have a function here f for x cube 3 power means cube plus kx plus 3. And then we know that fx is divisible by 2x plus 1. So whenever you see it's divided by something or divisible by something, divisible basically means the remainder is 0. So when you see such thing, the first step you can do is equals to that thing as 0, so that you know what you have to substitute in terms of x. So we know that x will be negative 1 over 2. So when you substitute this negative 1 over 2 to this function, then it will equals to 0 this time. It's 0 because it's a divisible question. So if it's divisible, then you equals to 0. So we do it that way. F negative 1 over 2 cube plus k negative 1 over 2 plus 3 equals to 0. And then just click the numbers. For negative 1 over 2 cube plus 3. I'm not doing negative 1 over 2 with the k because that's not what we need at the moment. This is 1 over negative 1 over 2k plus 5 over 2 equals to 0. And then we have to find the value of k. So let's move the numbers to the other side. After that, these numbers are actually multiplying with that. So if you want to remove this, you have to divide it to the other side. So this negative 5 over 2, you divide that whole thing. You can give a bracket directly actually, just like this way. Okay, negative 5 over 2 divided by negative 1 over 2. Let's see, what do you get it? You should be able to get k as 5. This is just the value of k yet. Okay, we did not find what we need in the question. So let's write the whole equation in a better way first. It was 4x cubed plus 5x plus 3. This is our function. But what we have to find is actually when fx is divided by x plus 1, what will be the remainder? So again, same things, but this time we use x plus 1. So you do that first. X plus 1 equals to 0. So in terms of x, we need negative 1. So put negative 1 wherever you have x. So 4 negative 1 cube plus 5 negative 1 plus 3. So you click that. 4 negative 1 cube plus 5 negative 1 plus 3. And you should be able to get the answer as negative 6. Yep, that's how do you do it, this question. Hope you like it. And if you have more queries and inquiries, you may feel free to ask on IG, or you want even more elaboration, you can ask anytime. Thank you.